Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Manu and I am going to show you how to control two LED using by IR sensor. So I have successfully elaborated all the step-by-step procedure in this video. So let's start. Today our record element is At first I discuss about the IR sensor. This is IR sensor. Here is two LED. One is for receive and receiver. This is receiver. This is transmitter. And here is 3 pin. Here we see one VCC, then ground, then D output means output pin. We use this output for analog grid or digital read. So today I use for analog grid. So at first I paste the sensor here. Now I connect the VCC with 5 volt. VCC with 5 volt. Connect ground and ground. And here D output pin connect with 7 number pin. As you wish, if you declare in code the other digital pin, so you use this pin. Now this LED, at first I sort the LED ground here. We know this line is not short, so that's why at first I sort this line, and this line is the ground line. Now I connect this line with ground, and I use the 30 number pin with this LED. So here 30 number pin use this LED, and 12 number pin connect with this LED. But here use the 220 ohm resistance because 12 number pin output voltage is 5 volt. That's why I use the 220 ohm resistance. Okay, this is successfully done. Now I connect the USB port with Arduino. Okay, now I am going to code. And this is your code. Here SB means sensor value is 7 number pin. That's why I use the 7 number pin here with IR sensor. Then LED 1 means this LED is 30 number pin, and this LED 2 is 12 number pin. Now here void setup. Void setup SB only USB sensor value is input, other two LED is for output here. And to use the serial being called, open the serial monitor. Then void loop we take the digital read from USB, and this value collect in P. Then we print here and delay 10 microsecond. Delay 10 microsecond. If P means SD value is equal 1, so LED is high, the LED is high, and LED 1 is low, this LED is low. Otherwise this LED is low and this is high. Now I am doing upload this code. Okay, now I open the serial monitor. Here all value are 1. If I touch this IR sensor, all value is 0 and this LED is on. Again this value is 1, so this LED is on. Again I touch this IR sensor, this LED is on again. So this is very simple and interesting project for anyone. So no more today. Welcome back to the next video tutorial. Thank you very much.